What's up, guys? This is Timmy here, and I'm going to be taking you guys through one of my trades today. Nice end of the week with a green week on a Friday, a nice little $100 winner. Only one trade today, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I took this trade, why I took it, and what my strategy was. So just a little background about me. I'm in college. Me and my buddies have been studying the stock market for over a year now, and we're trading basically a momentum type of strategy. So we get these gappers on earnings, and by the way, it's earnings season, so this is a good time to stay tuned on this strategy. But yeah, so we get earnings, and good earnings means a gap up. The gap up is when you get a higher price at the open from the previous day's close. So as you can see here, this gray area is the aftermarket, and this was the close of yesterday, and we get the open around here, so we're moving up in price. But yeah, so we'll look for hot stocks in the pre-market and good earnings to find the hottest stocks. So if you look for a stock with low float and high volume on their earnings, usually you can see these charts, they have double the volume on their earnings, which is a good sign that this stock has some heat. So yeah, I'm going to be taking you through my PayPal trade here. So you can see we get this nice little movement at the open, all the way till we run up to the pre-market highs and then get rejected, which is right here at 84.84. You can see just hits it and turns right around, and then we get a test of this EMA. We hold the EMA, which is a good sign. This wiki action showing that it's getting bought up right on that EMA. So we'll see a nice curl here and a nice bounce back. But yeah, so the reason I took this trade was the earnings were good, and it showed signs of strength to start the day. And we're getting this nice flag here, as you guys can see, the red trend line. So we're getting tighter and tighter here, which results in explosive moves to the upside. Consolidation always leads to good strong moves to the upside when we have momentum in the stock. Not all consolidation is great, but when we have high volatility and good momentum in a stock with news out, that's usually a good sign that consolidation will lead to explosion. So here's the flag. We're getting ready to take this. We see the price action start picking up here. Starts moving pretty hot to the upside. Getting ready to take this here for a long at the breakout above the pre-market highs, and boom, third tap right over into the 85s. So we'll get a little pullback here, and then we'll start trending for about a $1.50. So I'm just gonna skip ahead a little bit. Okay, so there's our pullback, and we're gonna start ripping here. Looking to take some shares off there. Just sold half my position, locking some profits. And yeah, we're making a pretty nice move to the upside. I'm getting ready to take my position off here. And yep, there I'm out. So you guys can see $127 in the day, not bad, with only 200 shares position size. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, you can hit me up on Instagram. You can hit my friends up on Instagram. I'll leave their Instagrams as well. Yeah, guys, just reach out to us. We'll be glad to help you. I'll also leave the link to our Discord chat. We always talk in there and set up our pre-market watch list in there, so you guys can join that as well. Alright, guys, thanks. Happy trading.